this shift that is happening right now is at such a critical junction that CSPs need to partner with the right providers. And those providers are the ones that understand how the virtualization has happened in the past and how to participate in it in an open radio access network.
The baseline premise is going to be modernizing the infrastructure, moving away from siloed proprietary architectures to more agile-oriented architectural designs, improving time to market and time to value for the things that you will use in the market that'll differentiate this CSP from that CSP.
One of the biggest challenges that we often hear about and often is neglected, especially by technology folks, is the lack of technology talent that they need to make and affect that translation. So today, for example, we have people who understand cloud and we have people who understand telecom, and there aren't a lot of people who actually understand them both.
In the new world order, the network is going to be architected more horizontally. And for telco providers to be successful with that transformation, they need vendors, they need partners who can deliver them high quality, production grade, easy to use horizontal platforms.
On the RAN side, it is important to choose a preset of architecture blueprints, a cookie cutter, if you will, that will allow a faster time to market, deploying more efficiently.
On top of everything, they need to lay the most important layer, which is the automation. The automation to drive all the operation and then allow them to reduce the cost and deploy the new services type with the agility that the infrastructure and the application.
To deliver value to their end customers, they do need much more customer intimacy with real requirement capture and prioritization. They need to move a little bit away from traditional waterfall approaches to delivering things where you capture a lot of requirements, you go away for a couple of years, you build solutions and you bring them back to the market. Usually by the time you've delivered them to the market, you've missed a lot of what those customers' needs and how they've changed.
And then on the second side, the vendor space, it's getting out of your comfort zone. I know it's easier to work with the larger vendors, and the delivery and the consistency is something actually that has been what they've relied on. But right now, they need to open that up to allow innovation, to allow a larger ecosystem, to allow the smaller players who can actually be more innovative, be involved.
The key for most operators today is how do you mix a legacy network with a new network? And the good news is VMware has a solution for enabling not only a 4G, 3G, and 4G network, but also bringing in the 5G capabilities that are going to be required for the future.
For success, CSPs will need to focus on consistent and scalable operations. They need to implement and deploy quickly, but they also need to do this in the most cost-effective way, where they can minimize the amount of resources by taking full advantage of automation.